Market's always changing? You're probably wondering, how do I stay ahead in a market that's always changing? It's a great question because real estate isn't static. What works today might not work tomorrow. To stay ahead, I make it a point to stay informed and adaptable. I subscribe to industry newsletters, follow key economists, and regularly attend webinars and conferences. This helps me to get insights from experts who live and breathe the market. Networking is another crucial piece. By staying connected with other investors, I can share experiences and get a pulse on what's happening in different markets. I also keep a close eye on local market indicators like job growth, population trends, and housing supply and demand. These factors give me clues about where the market might be headed. With this information, I'm able to adjust my strategy, whether it's shifting focus to different types of property, exploring new markets, or tweaking my financing approach. The key is to remain flexible and open to change because the real estate market is constantly evolving, and so should your strategy. Staying informed and adaptable is how you stay ahead of the curve. Hi, I'm Theresa Beneteau. I am the real estate investing coach for young, busy professionals who want to begin investing in real estate without making costly mistakes. Follow along for more tips, and if you have more questions, DM me.